Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So, in our today class, first we revise our previous topic. Let's start. Use of he or she. As the picture indicates us that he is refers to the male persons and she is refers to the female person. And in the given sentences, all the sentence are describe us about the either they are related to male person or female person. If sentence related to the male person, then we use he, and if sentence related to the female person, then we use she. Come on, let's start apply he or she in our given sentences. Number 1, he is a boy. Here is the boy indicate us the male person, so we put he over here. Next, she is my sister. Sister indicate us about the female person, so we put she over here. In our next sentence, she is dancing. In this sentence, we cannot understand whether it is related to the male or it is related to the female. When we have some sentences which are related to both either male, either female, then we use either he or she. We can use he is dancing, it is correct. We can use she is dancing, it is correct. Both are correct. Now next is Dash is playing with ball. In this sentence we also cannot understand who is playing the ball, male person or the female. So we can put either he or she. In above sentence I use she. In this sentence I use he. He is playing with ball. Next is Dash is my uncle. Here uncle indicate us that the male person. So we put he over here. He is my uncle. Next is Dash is a girl. Here girl. So we put she. She is a girl. In next sentence, Dash is a doctor. Which type of doctor? Male doctor or the female doctor? There is not any specify over here. So we can use he is a doctor or she is a doctor. Both are correct. Next is Dash is my father. Here father indicate us about the male person. Father is male, so we use he. He is my father. Dash is a man. Man. Man for male. So we use he. He is a man. Next, Dash is a woman. Woman means aurat. Man means admi. Woman refers to female. So we use she. She is a woman. Next, Dash is reading a book. कोई बुक पढ़ रहा है, मेल और फीमेल, I cannot understand. So I can use he is reading a book or she is reading a book. Both sentences are correct. So now let's come to.
Now we come to our today's new topic, that is use of this, that or it. How we use this, that or it? For using this, we come to know something which is very interesting. So, for the things near to us. For the things near. Near means पास. जो भी चीज़ हमारे पास होती है, for this we use this और it. उसके लिए हम लोग this और it use करते हैं. This is used for all the living things near to us, like person, tree, plant, bird, animal, etc. What is living thing? They all can grow. They all take breathe. ये सांस भी लेते हैं और ये बड़े भी होते हैं. So all of these are called the living things. If all these things are near to us, we use this. Okay. Now come to the it. It is used for non-living thing, like the things which doesn't grow. Bat, table, book, ये सब बड़ी होती हैं? No. Toy, bag, etc. They all are the non-living things. So for non-living things which are near, जो भी non-living things हम लोग के पास में होती है, then we use it for this. Okay. Now come to next. For the far things we use, जो दूर होती हैं चीजें, for that we use that. The spelling of that is THAT. That. This arrow is indication that the things are far from us. Okay, ये arrow ho means the things far away from us. Now come to our practice where we use this, that or it. Let's come to our first line. Here is dash is my friend friend. So here is the friend and she is far or near. She is near, पास में है. So we use and this is living thing. Okay, सांस लेती है, grow करती है. So we use this. The spelling of this is THIS. This. Now next is dash is a tree, TREE, and there is some arrow. Arrow indicate that the tree is far, दूर है. So we use THAT, that. Next is dash is a BEAUTIFUL, beautiful, KITE, kite. Here you see the beautiful kite? Yes. So the kite is near to us, and it is living or non-living? It is non-living. So we use it. The spelling of it is IT, it. Next is dash, BOY, boy, is GOING, going, TO2, SCHOOL, school. Dash, boy is going to school. And this arrow indicates that the boy is standing far. Boy दूर खड़ा है. So we use that. Spelling of that is THAT, that. Next is dash is a chair, CHAIR, chair. And chair is far or near? Chair पास में है या दूर है? Chair पास में है. Chair is near. So for near we use it because it is non-living thing. Next is dash is my pet. Pet means the animal which we keep at our home, the dog, and there is an arrow which tells us that the pet is far away, दूर है. So we use that, THAT, that. Next is dash is the PLANT, plant. Here you see the small tiny plant. Yes, very beautiful plant. The plant is near, and so this is living or non-living? This is living. It grows. So we use this, and the spelling of this is THIS, this. Now come to the next. Dash is a FOOT, foot, B-A-L-L, ball, football. Dash is a football. The football is near or far? Football is near. No arrow na? Means near. And the football is living or non-living thing? Football is non-living thing. So we use it. The spelling of it is it, it. Next is dash is a fish, fish. Here you see the beautiful fish. Yes. So fish is near or far? Fish is near. पास में है. No arrow. So it is living or non-living? It is non-living. No, 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 no. It is living. Yes. So we use this. 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 Next is dash GIRL, girl. IS is PLAYING, playing. WITH, with. DOLL, doll. Where there is a girl who is playing with her doll. The girl is far or near? This arrow. Have you seen the arrow? Yes. So this arrow indicates that the girl is far. दूर खड़े हैं. So we use that. THAT, that. Now I think you understand that the things which are near to us, we use this or that. For living thing, we use this. For non-living thing, we use it. And if the things are far, the indication of far is arrow. If there is arrow, it means things are far. So we use that. I hope now you understand it very clearly. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.